don't know if it has gotten to your side. Things are expensive. One I do like say, no, things are expensive. 100 naira bread now is now 200 naira. Una no. One I do like this now. 100 naira bread is now 200. Now cabbage is 20,000, 30,000. Things are expensive. No matter toothpaste who they buy before will be 300. Hey, do something. Now it's not 400 to brush teeth. We go use one to kill each other for this country. That is why don't give us no smart. If you near me, look me. If you near me, normal polo, sir. Normal polo before. Normal polo 10K. Now polo is like 15K, 25K for original polo. Me and person who can't get misunderstanding. You go with my clothes. I'll blow you for her. Things are expensive. So how much is condom before? Condom. No, they do like say no, they use them. How much is condom before?
Remember to watch the video to the end. It will benefit you.
No more condom 100 naira. Now condom is 200. The original one 15. Things are expensive, and still yet you'll be seen on unwanted pregnancy. Condom 15. How much lubricant? Normal lubricant before. Lubricant 500. Now lubricant is 25. No wonder hustler use speed. If you don't understand that joke, leave her. Terraculture is not for you. You need to day Jigbo. Things are hard. I won't lie to you. This Lagos get as a bizarre. You won't understand. This is the Lagos where man no like man. Man no like man. Forget say we sit down together. Man no like man. And they come now, one pack. One guy, they pack me. The way man take the pack, man, I don't understand. The guy, they tell me, okay, cut your hand. Cut your hand. If I cut my hand, wait, I want to reverse. Okay, just come like that. Use your back. Use your back. Cut your hand. Cut your hand. As I cut down for car, they look the guy. He won't pack one lady. The way men, they pack guy, I don't understand. The same guy, wait a man, cut my hand. They tell the woman, madam, use your nyash, enter. Use your nyash, enter. And the idiot go upstairs. I don't blame her because I come with Uber Corolla. This life, in all you do, remember two things. Remember to serve God and make money. Sir, do you know what money is? Now, lack of money, they make you carry charge and go everywhere. You know, they take a IC socket. You don't plug. Poverty, it's like people don't understand. You know, poverty. Poverty is when you live in one room. One room. Your girlfriend find you come. Your weekend landlady go come go window, go they tell you, hello. This Lagos. Don't let it. Oh. Please, if you stay on the island here, God will bless you. You are staying in the right place. You are staying in the right place. When I mean island, I mean the heart of island. Heart of island. I know the heart of island, what they tell you. I mean places like from VI, Ikoyi, you know, Lekki Phase 1. It ends in Chevron. Island for Chevron, oh. Anything Lakwe, Bogije, Awoyaya, come on, get out. Now, if you are also staying in the heart of mainland, you are staying in the right place. Heart of mainland. I mean, Aderoro Gusoya, Masha, Kilo. Are you hearing me now? Are you hearing me? Aguda. Those are places. Anything La Wansin. Yanaitire. You know, say like Yanaitire, you go. Yanaitire, you go see 3 bedroom, 200,000. They no born you and make you go house successfully. You must call somebody. Hello? Oh, say they no fight today. Yanaitire is the only place where you are going to your house. You will park your car for Kilo. Use Okada, they go house. Highland. This was the same island I came to, sir. Do you know on the island, whenever it rains, all the old ATM machine pays. I don't know if you've noticed. All the old ATM machine pays. Recently, I saw a man got down from his G-Wagon, got into an ATM spot, brought out his car, slot it in, typed his pin. Before you know, the way machine take counting money, go no say money day. The man come out take. As the man they go outside, now me I want enter. Now ask him just one question. Sorry, sir, is it dispensing? If you see voice.
Yes. It's dispensing.
I know say money day. I enter there, took my car, type my pin. Before you know, money come outside. But before I reach that my stupid area, where God go help me punish. I know that place they call Ogolonto for Ikorodu. Before I reach there, money don't finish. Ask me, can I use another ATM machine where they there? To say I know, I enter. How many of you have noticed that whenever it rains on the mainland, all the ATM machine they shock? No, they do like ATM never shock you before. As I enter, slot my card, type my PIN. Now, don't get it twisted. Don't be the number they shock you. Now the enter button. As I press enter, the machine carry me. Which kind of problem be this? Now come on my car. As I say make I go, one Yoruba woman won't come use. Old woman no, she won't come use the machine. As she come see me now, ask me, I'm my picking saying they pay. I say yes, my is paying, but actually the woman no let me talk. They look me cold. The mama go come out her car, shoot inside, type her pin. Immediately she press enter, the machine carry out. Now do machine. Oh my baby, it's hot me. All alone you can wear Dunlop. Come back, baby, test. Silence and double. Now that they are not saying Yoruba no dey let anything happen to them alone. Now do machine. Kò lè sake mi nìkan o. Enough is only because I can't love you. Instead of the mama to go, she stand near the machine. From nowhere, one Igbo boy come use the machine. As the Igbo boy reach, see the woman now answer, Madam, sorry, is the machine dispensing? The woman reply, it's a wanky. And the Igbo boy go spread. Come out in car, shook his head, type in pin. As the Igbo boy press enter, the machine carry up. Now the Igbo boy provoke, Madam, what rubbish is this now? Why not told me say this machine the chalk? Now the woman reply, it don't suck you too. Oh, suck me now. You wanna do it on my calabambo? Indigo kenu.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.